Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today we're drawing Pharita from BABYMONSTER, inspired by her look from the Psycho music video, but in our fun cartoon style. If you're new here, don't forget to follow the channel and leave a like on this video. That really helps the channel grow. So grab your pencil, your sketchbook, get comfy, and let's start drawing. We'll begin with Pharita's expressive eyes, which are large, elegant, and slightly almond-shaped, giving her that beautiful idol look. Add the stylized triangular eyeliner, extending slightly outward to create a confident K-pop stage vibe. Above the eyes, draw clean and slightly arched eyebrows, helping emphasize her confident expression. Now draw her small and delicate nose, later receives a soft pink tone when coloring. Next comes the model-style mouth, with a soft shape and slightly defined lips for that elegant expression. And remember, if any part feels tricky, pause the video and take your time. Now we can shape the rounded and beautiful face, keeping the lines soft and feminine. Notice that the ears will be completely hidden by the hair, so we don't need to draw them. Let's draw the center-parted straight hairstyle, framing the face smoothly. Continue shaping the hair, extending it downward with smooth strands and a slight outward curve toward the ends. Here are some fun facts while we draw. BABYMONSTER officially debuted in 2024 after gaining attention through the pre-debut series Last Evaluation. The group is known for strong vocals, rap, and powerful stage performance. BABYMONSTER is often described as the next generation of YG girl groups, following groups like 2NE1 and Blackpink. Draw the long and delicate neck and add the punk-style choker with metallic spikes and a small cross pendant. Pharita is especially recognized by fans for her elegant visuals and expressive stage presence. Many fans love her soft vocal tone, which contrasts nicely with the powerful rap sections in BABYMONSTER songs. She is originally from Thailand, making her one of the international members of the group. Her full name is Pharita Chaikong. Before debuting, she trained under YG for several years as part of their trainee system. Now sketch the upper torso, slim and elegant, keeping the lines curved and feminine. Let's draw the strapless corset mini dress fitted closely to the torso. Emphasize the rounded hip area of the skirt, which helps create the dynamic dancing pose. If you're enjoying this drawing, please leave a like and share this video with your friends. And if you want to see more BABYMONSTER tutorials, check out the playlist of the other members by clicking the card above. Also, tell me in the comments, which idol would you like to see transformed into a cartoon next? Now draw the metal studs and spikes decorating the corset, spaced around the outfit. Add the layered patchwork sections of the dress, giving it that edgy punk fashion style. add more studs, rings, and metallic details, reinforcing the punk-inspired fashion aesthetic. The K-pop industry is famous for combining music, choreography, fashion, and storytelling in performances. Music videos in K-pop often feature very stylized outfits and strong visual concepts, just like the one we're drawing today. Groups usually train for many years before debuting, learning singing, dancing, languages, and stage performance. Next comes the left leg, long and elegant, slightly bent to support the dance pose. Draw the large, furry, cartoon-style boot on the left leg, adding small sketch lines to show the fluffy texture. Now draw the right leg, maintaining the same elegant proportions and adding the matching furry boot. BABYMONSTER quickly gained international attention thanks to their global fan base. Members of K-pop groups often speak multiple languages to connect with fans worldwide. Fashion is a huge part of K-pop identity, and punk-inspired outfits like this one help create strong visual concepts. Let's draw the left arm, long and slender, with a relaxed hand resting near the thigh and wearing a bracelet. Pharita's stage presence often mixes elegance and charisma, which fans really love. The right arm is raised, elbow bent with the forearm almost vertical, and the hand near the head wearing a fingerless glove, forming the iconic horns gesture from the choreography. The group's performances are known for high-energy choreography and strong vocals. And of course, K-pop fandoms are incredibly passionate and supportive around the world. Finally, add the spiked bracelet on the right wrist, and when coloring, you can use the main palette, burgundy red outfit, blonde hair with pink red gradient tips, black accessories, and warm skin tones, but feel free to color it however you like. And here's our Pharita in a fun cartoon version inspired by her performance style. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.